Where are all the stupid people from? How'd they get to be so dumb? Bred on Purple Mountain Range, but ember waves of grains to lesser human beings, zero feelings. Blame it on human nature, man's destiny. Blame it on the greediocracy. Fear of God, fear of change, fear of truth. At the Bill of Rights, subtract the wrongs. There's no answer memorizing and sing star-spangled songs. When the questions aren't ever asked, is anybody learning from the past? Living in united stagnation. Father, what have I done? Took that 22, gifted me from you, to bed with me each night. Kept it clean, polished it well. Cherished every cartridge, every shell. Down by the creek, there's a carcass of my second kill. Down under rock, under bush, there's a carcass of my brother William. Brother, where have you gone to? I swear. Never thought I could. Seen so many times. Told me to shoot straight. Don't pull the trigger, squeeze. Will ensure a kill. Kill is what you want. Kill is why we breathe. Christians are their guns. The church ain't already. Pray for their salvations. Pray on over. Schoolbook's been read, every line believed. Curriculum's been set. Logic is a threat. Reason searched and seized. Wish I had a shilling for every senseless killing by a government or a cuss for sale. We can get a good deal of money, make a healthy profit, or maybe tear it apart. Start with the assumption that a million people are smart, smarter than one. Serotonin's gone. Drifted away. sure it's a flood out process on. She left her answering machine alone. Greeting left spoken sincere. Messages no over here. 10,000 messages a day, a million more transmissions away. So it's a fair. To speak, performs a cute routine. A little patronise. Though I feel bad if I'm going inside your head. It's not that they don't care, yeah. Television put up down inside your head. Like a very man. Junior art line to teach the world to sing. Perfect harmony. Symphonic blank stare, yeah. Not designed to make you care. Good betting won't care. Under pride, we're trying to get them in the end of this tried. Wait for the horse. Intellectually spade. Wait for the horse. Dysfunctionally raised. more pill to kill the pain. One more pill to kill the pain. One more pill to kill the pain. Living through conformity. One more prayer to keep me safe. One more prayer to keep us warm. One more pill to kill the pain. Gonna be a better place. God damn it, come on. Lost the battle, lost the war, lost the things worth living for, lost the war and in the fight. More pill to kill the pain. Going gets tough, the tough get dead. Pay attention, pay the rent. Next weekends pay for your sins. Little faith should keep us safe. Hello members, club we got arms. I'd like to introduce you to our host. He's got his, I've got mine.